At the end of the war, 10,000 men who served the losing South Vietnamese government were locked up for re-education.
So, Major, this is the camp in here. This is the camp? This is it. Uh-huh. How many people in here? About 400. 479. When did you build the camp? 1975. Uh-huh. This is where the people live? One guy. How you doing? And how long have you been here in this camp here?
Từ 72 tới giờ. 82.
From 1982.
From 1982. You've been here about 2 years.
Như thế là 2 năm rồi đấy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Where do you stay? Take me over there. Where do you stay?
Ngủ ở đâu đấy?
You sleep right here.
Yeah.
This is your bedroom.
Đây có phải là cái giường ngủ không đấy?
And everybody sleeps by these things. And is this the best camp that you've ever been in? Yeah, this is the best one. Uh-huh. And how many people living in here with you?
Trong cái phòng này có bao nhiêu người ở không?
Dạ 26 người.
26.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Let's go to the next spot. All right, thank you. All right, what's this, Captain?
Đây là cái phòng sách. Là cái thư viện.
This is the reading room. Attention, how are you? And what do we have here? What's in the library? Uncle Ho's story.
It's the science book.
These are the science books. Well, some of the stuff is pretty old. This is 1979. What's the newest thing that you have in the library? The collected work of Lenin. That's the latest books that you've added to the library.
Giới thiệu với ông đây là cái đội văn nghệ của trại.
This is the music group, huh? Hit it, fellas. Ha ha! English, you. No English. How about you? Can you speak English?
Yes.
You can. Uh-huh. How long you been in this camp? 10 years. Why?
Officer.
You were an officer before. You get enough food? Enough food. Enough to eat? No? When can you go home? I don't know. This is the visiting center.
Anh Toại. Đến
Oh, this guy has his family here. Mr. Twy has his family. Don't get up. I'll come in.
Đây là một gia đình mà anh Toại cải tạo mà được chúng tôi bố trí.
He was a good guy,
24
a
giờ.
good boy, so he gets to see his family, right? Are you going to stay here tonight?
Dạ.
Uh-huh.
Dạ, thưa ở đây.
You're going to stay here tonight? And you too?
Dạ, ở đây nữa.
Listen, what did you bring your husband? That's okay, you can hold hands. What did you bring your husband? What did you bring him? Show me what you brought him today.
Dạ.
Show me.
Dạ, đây là miếng.
Oh, he brought him some chow mein. Uh-huh. And chickens. You're going to make chicken soup tonight?
I think so.
Have you been re-educated? You think so?
Yeah, I think so.
Uh-huh. You ready to go home?
Every go home. And my stream will go home. And I think I will go home.
You think you will go home?
In future.
The United States want to make sure that you're not taking me on a guided tour. So can I go to any of these other dormitories? Anything I want. All right. Hello. How you doing? Anybody speak English? Can you speak English? How long have you been here in this camp?
10 years ago.
You've been in this camp 10 years?
No, 5 years.
5 years here. Where were you before?
Major.
You were a major before.
Yes.
How are they treating you here? You get enough? Do you get enough food? You get enough food? Not enough?
I don't know why the meaning of enough or not enough.
Yeah. Are you hungry? You get meat?
Okay, everybody did the food and everything, but
not enough.
but not enough.
Not enough. It's pretty hard in here, isn't it? It's a tough life. It's a tough life.
You know,
I cannot answer about your question.
Uh-huh. Why? Because the guys standing around here make you nervous? A lot of people feel abandoned by the Americans, okay? Please give a message to President Reagan. What do you want to tell him?
Every prisoner is a scam. Would like to have freedom life. And I think that the freedom world can save us,
Save you.
save us, bring us out as quick as possible.